Dear students, welcome to the third lecture of 8051 interrupts. So now we'll talk about 8051 interrupt structure, or you can call the IVT, interrupt vector table, about interrupt vector table I can say. So in 8051 we have a 5 vectored interrupt sources. As I said, what is the meaning of vector interrupt? We have 5 vectored interrupt sources, right? How those 5 are divided, right? There are two external interrupts. So the naming given for those is external interrupt 0, that is INT 0 bar, interrupt 0 bar. External interrupt 1, INT 1 bar. Okay, these two, and there are three internal interrupts. That is two timer interrupts, timer 0, timer 1, and one serial port interrupt. Okay, serial port interrupt. Next, the 8051 the interrupt flags are, in 8051 the interrupt flags are IE0, IE1, TF0, TF1, RI and TI. So I stands for interrupt, E stands for external, 0 stands for 0. So external interrupt 0, the flag that we are using is IE0. IE1, external interrupt 1, okay, and TF0, timer interrupt 0, timer interrupt 1, right? Whenever the timer rolls off, as you know, here if I take a T H X TL X, whenever this rolls off, here a TF will be there, right? TF will becomes equal to 1 and timer interrupt will be generated, right? So I stands for interrupt, E stands for external interrupt 0, external interrupt 1, timer interrupt 0, timer interrupt 1, and RI TI, receive interrupt transfer interrupt. This is I, receive interrupt transfer interrupt. So these two timer interrupts are with respect to this, and RI and TI both are with respect to serial port interrupt. Okay, the interrupt service routine is ended with RETI. As you all of know, the ISR will end up with RETI. Okay, now how the addresses are given. So IVT table, this is called a IVT table. So here interrupt source, vector address, priority. So external interrupt 0, timer 0 interrupt, external interrupt 1, timer 1 interrupt, serial port interrupt. Please note down this table carefully. For an external interrupt 0, the address given is 0003H. For a timer 0 interrupt, the address given is 0003BH, like that. External interrupt 1 0013H, timer 1 interrupt 001BH, serial port interrupt 0023H, and the priorities which are assigned is, for external interrupt 0 the highest priority is given, and serial port interrupt the lowest priority is given, lowest to highest. Please note these addresses very carefully. These are helpful while writing the program, right? This is a interrupt vector table. So this is about interrupt vector table. In the next class we'll see the most important registers, that is IE register and IP register, which are used in this 8051 interrupt. Thank you.